Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, it's JJ. You know we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So about to show y'all this little $300 Buick I picked up. What was it? Yeah, I think it was 300 or 250 or something. It was 300, I think. Let me go grab the key. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna I'll probably do some information videos, but more than likely, I'll just probably just do videos of me when I'm like this. I'll just like buying cars, like whatever I'm buying, you know, and then I'll start posting it like after I sell it. You know, I'll start posting it in the community tab because I know people want to know like what I sell it for. So I'm gonna show y'all. You know, I'll show y'all show y'all like what y'all know how much I pay for it, and then I'll post it like in the community tab, and it'll show you like sold, and then I'll just put like the price of what I sold it for, so y'all can keep track. I mean, I already got some hubcaps for it. So interior, you know, got all this pet here. So that's gonna cost me a little bit. I'm gonna just take it down because the interior is not dirty. It's just got a lot of pet hair. So I'm gonna just take it down to the detail shop. I ain't gonna have them do no full detail or nothing. I'm gonna just tell them to do like a wash and back. It does damage in the bumper. Bumper does have damage, so I don't know. Could probably find a bumper. It's got good tires. I could probably call Certifit. It's got, like I said, it's got good tires on it, so I could probably call like Certifit. See the only thing. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, something's not right. See, they showed it to me on 7/29, but I just got it yesterday. And then I gotta go get a new key made because where they put the key is, they put the key like in between the seats and stuff. So I couldn't get the key out, so I was like slid the seat forward, and so it's more on me, but I just kind of slid the seat forward because pushed in like in the tracks. I'm like here, if y'all see like the tracks came off and stuff like that, because they had it like stuck in between here, so I was like sliding it back and forth. You wanna buy it?
This one you got for 100?
Nah, this is off of bag lots. I got it for 3. You wanna buy it? It got a little mist though. I guess.
That's what you was on at 24/7 this morning?
Nah. It's got a little mist though.
One of your instant 15s?
Oh yeah, you know it's the sales. So yeah, it's got a. Let me pop the hood though. I can sell it just like this for 15 after I fix the mist. I ain't even gotta worry about the back bumper. I can just go grab me a little coil. But it's dirty under. I know one thing right here. I know this hose right here is leaking, and y'all can see like how it's like shaking, is missing. And then like on these like see, here's this. I can tell it, and then I pulled the coil so it's still, so like you see like I pulled that one off, and nothing on the motor didn't change, and like it ain't even sparking. See, it ain't even sparking. So you can tell that coil, either that coil's no good or that plug is no good, because like it's probably a coil, because look, if I pull the second one off, you can see how the motor started changing, and you hear how it's sparking. Woo! Shocked my hand. But y'all hear how that was sparking? And the other one's not sparking. So I already checked out the other ones, but I just wanted to show y'all that. So like y'all see that one's sparking and the other one's not. So, but like I said, I'm gonna have them do like a little washing back on this thing, and then like the security, probably because the key messed up. But like I said, do a little wash and vac. You heard me. Get that little hose fixed here out of there. You know. So you heard me. Take the hand off the wheel. Pretty good alignment. Now y'all see that check engine light flashing? Y'all see it flashing? That means it's a misfire. But other than that, like, you know, do 60, no turning, 60, no shaking, no rattling. So I mean, I could get more out of it if I go get the back bumper and stuff. This depends on how much certificate go. I could probably go to a salvage yard and pull a back bumper, but it's been freaking hot lately. I mean, I can still sell the car for $1,500 and make $1,200. I mean, make $1,200 profit. Even if I sold it, even if I invest like $100 more into like washing and vacuum and like the coils and stuff, and I sell it for $1,400, I still make $1,000. If I sell it for $1,300, I make $900. A quick, who wouldn't mind making an easy $900? So I make $900 off of this one, make $900 off the next one, $900 off the next one. Man, you make $900 3 times, that's $2,700. Quick and easy. You don't gotta do the things hard way and try to make all the money off of one car. You can keep hitting these little licks. Those little licks add up quick. Like I ran the codes on it, so it's showing an O2 sensor and the cylinder 1 misfire. So that's why I went to check the coil. So the coil ain't sparking, but I'm gonna probably replace the coil and the spark plug. Just to do it. The oil already been changed, but I'll probably get it changed once again. Maybe, I don't know. The oil's pretty clean, so I don't think I need to get it changed. But I do need to get that hose that's leaking. Gotta get that fixed. Bumper, I'm not gonna cry about it. If I can't find one, I can't. If I can, I can. We not gonna cry about it. But it does run and drive pretty good though. The AC blows cool, but it's not the coldest. AC blows cool, but not the coldest. But y'all tell me what y'all think about it in the comment section below. Let me know. Somebody get them a 2001 Buick. Runs and drives, gonna run and drive good after I charge the AC and stuff like that. So, I mean, I think $1,500 is a fair deal for somebody. The little grill insert and stuff. $1,500. Then if I like this, they can go to Certifit and get their own bumper. If they want to, or I can go get the Certifit bumper. I could call Certifit. I'll call Certifit just to see how much one is. Just to see. It probably not that much. They did go up on the price of everything, so I don't know. Everything is more expensive, so it just depends on how much money. But I know it's people. I always got people looking for cheap cars, so if I can just give you a cheap running car, are you gonna complain about the bumper? Are you gonna complain about the little minor cosmetics? As long as the mechanicals is good, as long as because the motor is good, transmission shifting. Once the AC get the kicking, and then it's washed, then it's cleaned on the outside and washed and back. So I'm gonna just have them get that pet hair out of there because I don't like the pet hair. So just have them do a little washing back. Then I'll come over there with a rag and just you know, wipe it down, make it shine and stuff. You know, give me one of those little black ice filters. But let me know in the comment section below what you'll sell it for. Let me do a full walk around. So y'all see it one more time. As y'all can see, they're gonna get really good tires. Really good tread on the tires. You know, they still got the little sprinkly things on there. Little, you know. Let me know in the comment section below. For me, as long as I can make $800-900, I'm good. Cause I can do that. I'm gonna do that 2 or 3 times, and I'm gonna make 2,700, 27, 24. I'm gonna do that 24. If I do that 3 times a week, you know, 24 to 27, average of 2,500 a week, times that by 4, and y'all see where we at by the end of the month. You know, and we're just doing it this way. You know, yeah, I could probably try to do it the other way and work harder and stuff like that, or I could do it my way. And I like my way, because my way is my way. I created this way, and it's my way. You know, everybody will see. Some people will buy that car. They'll fix the back bumper. They'll get the grill insert, and then all of that, and fix it up, and then they'll be over there trying to earn $3,500 for this car, or $29.95, like $3,000, $35, and then they'll like, yeah, eventually somebody's gonna give you that, but how long is it gonna take you? You know. So I look at it like, and for me, every week you got bills due. For me, I feel like bills come every week, so I need to make money all the time. I don't want to just hold it and be like, oh yeah, I eventually sold it and made $2,500, but did you really make $2,500 once all those bills come? So once you get the money in, it's already going out. But if you but y'all see the thing, 3 cars a week, $800 to $900 a car, 24 to 27, average down to 25. Y'all already know what that is. It's quick, simple, and easy. It's a painless process. Cars go quick. Everybody's a $1,500, $1,200 car. You know, I put $100 more in it for myself, somebody for $1,200, $1,300. Bam, somebody got them a good running car for $1,300. Good running Buick. You know, people know Buick run a long time, but $1,300, bam, you got your Buick. Am I gonna be hurt? Am I gonna be crying? Am I gonna be, yeah, some people are gonna be like, yeah, you could have got $2,000, 22 or something like that. Take my 800 profit, go make 800 on the next one, 800 on the next one, put the money in the bank, move on and get some more cars. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out.